Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and Chrome is open. Now focus on the Gmail tab. Click the tab to make it active, then check the star icon area in the address bar. Once done, make sure Chrome's bookmarks bar visibility matches your preference by pressing Ctrl+Shift+B on Windows or CMD+Shift+B on Mac. This prepares the view so you can add and inspect the bookmark immediately, and it reduces clicks when saving Gmail for quick access later. Click the star icon to open the bookmark dialog. This captures the exact Gmail URL and current view. Type a concise name like Gmail Inbox so it's recognizable, then pick a destination folder, bookmarks bar for one-click access, or a nested folder for organization. If you need a quick shorthand, edit the name shorter. If you want labels, include them. After adjusting, click Done. You've now saved Gmail. The bookmark points to this account, and click the new bookmark to confirm it opens your Gmail as expected. This verifies the saved URL and the chosen folder. Once confirmed, sync will propagate the bookmark to other devices if Chrome Sync is enabled, so check Settings Sync. If the bookmark redirects to another Gmail account, make sure you're signed into the correct account or edit the bookmark URL to include the account-specific parameter. If Chrome fails to save, toggle the bookmarks setting or restart the browser to clear transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.